This is a lesson for cellos all about number 41, Jingle Bells, and we're going to use this key up here to help us out. Notice the very first note has 3 fingers and it has the sharp sign. So we're going to come up here, 3 fingers, and it has the sharp sign, and it also sits inside our 5 lines and 4 spaces like this one. So we know it's an F sharp. All of these sit on the same line. So we've got 7 F sharps total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we go up to the top line with a 0 finger, and it matches our open string A. Then we go down to the middle line, and that's our D because it sits inside. Up 1, we add a finger, we get our E, and up again with our sharp sign, we get an F sharp. Notice all of these are on the D string except for that A because they're inside the staff. Let's name all of those notes on the first line. Ready, go. G, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, rest. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, rest. F sharp, A, D, E, F sharp. And then you're going to go back and practice playing it. Now look at the second line. Let's practice saying this line. Notice the note sits in the top space here, and so we're going to call that a G. We have 5 G's because they all sit in that top space. Then it goes down 1 from G, so we get F sharps. 4 F sharps in a row, down again, 2 E's. This one's a little tricky. It goes back up. So this is another F sharp. They don't have to put the sharp sign because it's in the same group, in the same measure. So that's also an F sharp, and then back down to the E again. Finally, we have an A at the end because it sits on the top line, and that's our letter A. Let's say the whole second line together. Ready, go. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E, rest, A, rest. Then check it out. The third line is the exact same as the first. F sharp, 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 A, D, E, F sharp, rest, rest, rest. Then on the last line, it starts the same way as the second line. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Now it changes. We go to that top line. So we're going to come up here, find that top line, and it has a 0. A, come down 1 from A, we get G, come down again. Here's our E because it has a finger 1 and it skips a line, and then down 1 more time and we get our D, open D, 0 fingers. All right, let's say the whole last line together. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A, G, E, D. Rest, rest, rest.